This time, however, we've got two Hondas. The Passport and the Pilot.
All right, we found it. There's the sign. Ooh, that's a pretty steep hill there.
What's up, everybody? All-Wheel Drive Fest. This thing is sick. So sick.
Yeah, we're really pleased with it.
Oh my gosh, guys. All right, so we just whipped.
All right, train's rolling out.
We just whipped the kids into the car. We are heading out for our first trail riding experience here. Hopefully we don't blow up the Passport. Right, boys?
We will. Want me hand sanitizer for me or a wipe?
So part of the reason for this little scouting mission is to see what the easy trail looks like, Wolfden. Depending on the conditions, we may or may not be able to take some of the non-lifted other, skid plate adorned vehicles tomorrow, but that's why we're out here. We're gonna see what it looks like. We did not get our transmission cooler installed, so we are gonna have to keep an eye on this ATF temperature gauge right here.
Ooh, three-wheeling. Almost two-wheeling there, too. What happened?
I just thought I would have Skidplates.
Oh, no.
So, and I haven't been on it yet.
The sound of change.
I think so.
I don't know what are the same thing.
Yeah, I think on this side you're okay.
Thanks, man.
It's all about the line.
Watch the side, yep. Cool. Just drove up over the whole thing. We're like right up. The sidewalk was like trying to climb that rock, but it wasn't sure what to do with it. That's why I was like,
Whoa.
I like how we have the Forester and the diesel.
Yeah.
We could have staged you guys a little bit better. We got the momentum. We need a little momentum, it seems like, versus. Yeah, it's fun.
It helps a lot when you don't give a shit about your car.
It does.
This is
Goes a
his
long way.
7th time here, and I didn't think he would survive the first trip. I ran everything here but the front side of Daniel, and I can't kill with it. It won't die.
It won't die.
Awesome.
It's always good, I guess, when your car won't die.
Side by side. That's all good. We're stacking up over here.
Careful for your other side, dear. That looks good. You can go kind of slow.
Yeah. A little more driver. I am feeling what you guys seen about the
right, now punch it.
Yeah. I understand.
You gotta go fast.
There you go.
Really?
Why not?
There you go.
Yeah.
You look as
Copy.
Are you just waiting till the deal off?
Yeah.
well. City has
Up and over. Really riding some brakes hard here. Did you just break your fender off? Or your flare off?
I think it's somebody else.
Oh, okay.
Hold down trash.
Just picking up trash.
I think we could drag one of those really well armored super tough ones through here. No problem.
Whoa.
That one got me too.
What did that just hit on?
There's one little tail rock here.
Got a Mellow Design skid plate. The other Honda Ridgeline behind it also has a Mellow Design skid plate. Oh. This little rock is- Oh. There you go, crawling right over it. Oh. That doesn't sound so good. He's two-wheeling. Huh? Yeah, he cleared it. He kind of scraped his little side fender thing with.
See a little bit. Going this way. This way. Yep. You good? You're good. Forestry should be good. Yeah, he's good. I was worried about
He's-
the rocker.
Yeah, like three-wheeling, and then at one point you go two-wheeling.
I feel like the passport. That's just your control arm. Control arm.
Did it break something?
It's your control arm back here has that one rock that's sticking up. I think it will. Stack a rock. Stack a rock in front of it so wheels will come off. Here.
Whoa. He's getting so close on that side to the thing.
Make sure you holler at me, honey, okay?
You're getting too close on that side. You're making me nervous. I'm telling you, he's going to scratch this wheel. He's going to scratch it in broad daylight. There he goes. There you go, scratching the wheel.
Forward.
You're okay on the corner. You're all right. Keep coming. All right, perfect. There you go. Now, yeah, you're good. It's gonna, the rear's gonna climb. So keep coming. Start working your way this way. You're good. You're all right.
You're about to freaking screw up the.
Hold on. You gotta work. your
Oh
way
my
that
God.
way. Yep. You're on top. Good. Nice job. Slow and steady. You're gonna drop down. Yep, just bring
Look
up-
at how much flex there is in the tires, though. That's so crazy.
You want to move the caravan in?
I was gonna say, so where do you want? Wait, move the caravan up? Yeah.
What is he doing?
Gotta give me more.
Oh my God.
Oh, I thought that's what you were thinking. Oh, no, I sent you on the high view line. Sorry. Do you want any input on this, or you want to just drop it? Okay. Okay. That's cool. You're stubbier than me, so you should be good. Just hold as much left as you can hold it. Want to watch that front corner for him?
Got plenty of space.
Hold straight as long as you can.
I'm just worried about the tree.
Only on 3 wheels on this thing.
Alright, here comes the control arm, and you're gonna get us. Clear.
Yeah, clear. What was that? Say it again. I'm just kidding.
Passport's extremely impressive.
Mom, look at Isaac.
Excellent. You
All
said
the
that, you
options.
guys.
Yeah.
Isaac's in the back.
I keep missing all the good moments where people praise the passport, but oh well.
I think we've got, this is how I put it with Ben, but with the tires on here, with the 33s, we have got very usable clearance.
Can you put the windows up?
Yeah.
Do you think clearance is like the highest aspect of off-roading?
Well, when you're
No.
on-road, clearance can be a downside because you lose handling ability. I feel like we're in a sweet spot right now.
Like right in between not handling it and
I mean,
handling it?
we don't even have rock sliders yet, and knock on wood. But yeah, Ian definitely took me on a much different route that I would have taken myself on down that when he
I
when
was
he had
trying
me
to get you to
teeter.
go between the rocks.
I was
and
gonna
he like-
straddle it, and it was gonna be just easy. And then
Well-
he had me like teetering. I'm like, oh.
He had to
this
go
is-
over it, and then I was like, "Oh my gosh!" I thought you were about to flip the dang car.
Yeah.
I was like,
Well, it kind of felt like it.
yeah, it looked like it felt like it. I was, if I was in here, I probably would have been kind of panicking.
That's funny.
Doing.
I don't know.
Well, he's playing. He's in a Chevy Silverado, so he's not. He's bored.
Well,
That looks dangerous. That's
what's
like
the limit there?
that's like rolling territory. Oh my god.
You seem close.
What's up?
Ugh.
I said, Josh, you seem pretty close.
Yeah, we're too close.
Yeah, he had to back down off of that. He was about to flip his truck. Can't have that.
You were giving me anxiety behind you.
He kept trying to go forward and sliding down. That's the angle.
Lakeview Trail.
Yeah, Lakeview Trail. Exactly.
That's pretty cool.
Because you view a trail. I mean, lake.
The trail takes you to a view of the lake.
No lake. I see lots of weeds.
It's
I
kind
was
of.
a little late saying it, so the first 3 cars probably were already passed. Sorry. Okay.
Oh, you can see the dam.
Yeah, I see it.
Do you guys feel like Ace Ventura? Like,
Who's that?
huh?
Well, Ace Ventura is, it's a comedian, and he
They've never seen that. That's
pretends,
pretty sad.
well, it's also an adult show.
Well, kind of, I guess.
It's
yeah.
definitely an adult movie, dear.
I
but
watched it as a kid, so I don't know.
He pretends that he's in a really rough car, and it looks just like he's in a car
It looks like he's
off-road,
doing this
but he's
right
on the
here.
road.
But he's on the road, on a flat ground. What?
Econ mode affects sport mode? Sport mode should trump econ mode, but oh my gosh, you've had econ mode on this whole time.
Yeah, maybe that's why you couldn't make it up some of this stuff.
I mean, I can feel right now, it's like night or day. Like, I can zoom.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. You make my heart go boom, boom, my supernova girl.
Ready? Here, I'll go from this direction.
Ugh, so dusty.
All right, I'm trying to get it all off for trunk or treat in a little bit.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Here, I have a better option. Albeit less cool and less satisfying.
All right, that's good.
Wait. Let me get this on video.
All right.
Ask your question again.
All right, kids, do you remember last weekend at Overland South?
Yeah.
Do you remember the food we ate?
Mac and cheese.
Do you remember the weirdest thing we ate? What was the weirdest thing?
Mac and cheese?
No.
Octopus.
Giant octopus in a
It was
can.
kind of good. It just had a weird aftertaste. It had a fish.
All right.
I think it was squid,
So,
but it was pretty
which do
disgusting.
you like better, this meal or any of the meals that Daddy bought?
This meal, I think I were tied because your dad's food was made way quicker.
That is true. That is true. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's a win
And
for Dad.
and anyway, the
Pack's
nutrients
smaller, I
is
know
good.
that.
Sound like cats, sounds like an old man. It is the creepiest thing ever.
That is weird.
Yeah.
They can live at any temperature.
Just hear an old man yell in his room at 3 in the morning when
Yes,
you're
that's
napping.
right. And so their outside cats are breeding with like other affairs.
Named after
And
on
cat
the
populations
on the
are
street.
exploding right now.
Jupiter, right?
Yeah, that's Jupiter.
It's not Jupiter.
I agree.
It is
I agree
Jupiter,
completely.
right there.
I don't know.
I don't trust Camping Randy.
Right there.